Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Richmond and I'm going to show you how to use supercalculator. Let's pull up an ideal occlusion. So in this class 1 occlusion, our CATS is 0 on the right, 0 on the left, and our premolars are symmetric in both arches. We're going to turn this into a malocclusion now. And these are the numbers we get. So we're 4 millimeters class 2 on the right, millimeter class 3 on the left. 1,4 is ahead of 2,4 by 2 millimeters, and 3,4 is ahead of 4,4 by 3 millimeters to simulate a mandibular asymmetry. So with that in mind, we would punch these values into the diagnosis section of supercalculator, and then we can move on to playing around with some different extraction patterns. So the extraction pattern that I came up with to treat this malocclusion was extraction of 1,4, 2,5, 3,5, and nothing in quad 4. We'll remove those teeth, and now the 1,5 is the 4th tooth back in quad 1, so I've designated it as such. And we're going to simulate space closure based on Creekmore's rules of thumb, which I've talked about on other sections of my website. So upper 4s close 50-50, upper 5s close 1/3, 2/3, and lower 5s close 50-50. So let's simulate that right here and see what we're left with. Okay, so the calculated residuals using supercalculator and the simulation have worked out to essentially the same thing. So we're plus 0.25 millimeters on the right, plus 0.25 millimeters on the left. 1,4 is ahead of 2,4 by 0.75 millimeters, and 4,4 is ahead of 3,4 by 0.75 millimeters. So that's an example of how you can use supercalculator to try out different extraction patterns and see what you'll be left with, hoping to get the residuals under 1.5 millimeters so that you don't really have to rely on your patients to comply with their elastics. Thank you. Hope this was helpful.